How's it going, Brother and Village? We're back for video update 2. I'm standing outside of the end entrance of the Fieldcrest building at the new Wellness Edition, where we are currently doing our exterior finishes. I'm now standing on the new sidewalk we just finished pouring on the back side of Fieldcrest. I'm now standing in the entrance to the new fitness center where we just finished installing the new window frames, and this will eventually be the entrance into the fitness center. I'm now standing in the new fitness center where we just finished painting and are getting ready for the new rubber flooring that will be going in the coming weeks. Just down the hall from the new Wellness Edition, I am in the elevator lobby where we have completed painting and new flooring throughout this entire corridor. In this location, we're currently installing a new wood ceiling. I'm now standing in the new Main Street Cafe. The right is going to be the new double-sided fireplace that will split the cafe and the new lounge space. I'm now standing in the new kitchen where we are completing the new FRP on the walls, and we just finished installing one of our first of the 2 hoods. I'm now standing in the other half of the new kitchen, what used to be the old private dining room. Right now we are currently roughing in all of the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing for the new kitchen and all of its equipment. Thanks for tuning in, and be on the lookout for our next video update.